Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I put the Christmas lights on, getting a festive mood and all that. Plus I've never actually turned these things on, so I thought it'd be quite cool. But yeah, trying to get a few more videos done. This video I'm about to get into is a video I've been meaning to do for a few months. I just haven't got round to it due to other circumstances, but I'm going to start getting into it now, and hopefully you guys are excited, because I am. But before I get into this video, I put up the headlight video for me yesterday and had quite mixed reviews on that video. Quite a few people saying it wouldn't pass the MOT, some people saying that they've had them in for years and they passed MOT. I do understand what the rules are for MOTs, but yeah, I'm running them. It's my prerogative to run them. If you guys aren't comfortable with running them, then fair enough. That's up to you. I don't want to start a massive debate or argument between yes they are legal, no they're not legal, etc, etc. That's just what I'm doing. Everything I'm done on my van is things that I'm doing. Now, I have had people drive towards me that I know to test to see if I'm dazzling them, and now that I've turned the lights up the other way and the light pattern's aiming like down towards the floor, not straight at people's eyes, yeah, they're not dazzling anybody. Like I said, I've had people that I know drive towards me, people I know driving right in front of me, and they've said that I'm not dazzling them at all. They're just super bright. If they do fail an MOT, then so be it. When this thing goes for an MOT, and if he fails it, then fair enough, he fails it. I'll put the original bulbs back in, and I will let every one of you guys know that yes, I failed my MOT because of my headlights. I'm not going to hide anything. It's just, yeah, I'm running them. If you're not comfortable too, then that's you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I just didn't want to cause any upset amongst everybody. That's just what I'm doing. Anyway, enough off of that. I just had to clear that part up. Let's get into today's video. Now, like I said earlier on, today's video, I've been meaning to do this for a little while now. I've actually been talking to this company for many months, but due to life and what have you, I haven't actually got around to doing anything about it. But I'm proud to actually announce that I am now sponsored by MaxPeedingRods. They reached out to me, said they like what I do on the channel, they like what I'm doing, and they would like to sponsor me. So I said that is absolutely fantastic. We had a few conversations, and amazing people over there. Really nice people, easy to talk to, and yeah, they said how could we help support the channel. So I had a little look through the website. Their website is brilliant. Go over there. You don't have to just buy pistons and turbos and coilover. They sell all sorts. I did see earlier on they've got diesel heaters over there, and those big electrical battery packs, they've got them. They've got all sorts over there, so you don't have to just be up for power just to be able to spend anything over there. They've got all sorts. Go over on their website and have a little look. They have got a few Black Friday sales going on at the minute, so have a little look at them. And if you use the code that I give you later on in this video, you get an extra 5% off, so everyone's a winner. But yeah, I'm now working with MaxPeedingRods. I mean, there's nothing in this box at the minute, because what was in there, I actually use as an ornament in my living room for the minute. But yeah, I do want to say thank you very much to them for everything. I will be working with them in future projects, sort of more than I'm going to be for this, but they have got a few things I'm interested for the van, so look forward to that. Like I said, there'll be a 5% discount code in the description below, so if you do buy anything from their website, use my discount code, get 5% off. The discount code, I believe, is just PRANCE. I will put it sort of on the screen, and it will be in the description down below, so if you do buy anything, just use that. It's an extra 5% off for you, so can't complain. I did speak to them about what they could and like what they could send me and what have you, and they said they would very much like to send me this. Now, at the minute, this isn't going on my van, so don't panic, don't scream that it's going to blow my van up and all this sort of stuff, because it's not going to be going on this van, it's going on a future project. But what they sent me was this bad boy. This. Now, I will put all the specs to this up on the screen and what have you, and if you are interested, go onto their website and have a little look. This is what they sent me. This is probably one of the biggest turbos I actually ever held. It's very well made, it's very weighty, yeah, it's amazing. I can't wait to actually use this. But like I said, it won't be going on this van. This is for a future project. Now, this turbo is rated up to 420 brake horsepower. So that's a lot. That is definitely not going on this van, because like obviously you tune it to your vehicle, but I really don't want to not use this thing to its full potential. But I have got some of the specs. Like I said, they'll be on the screen as well. It is perfect for 4 to 6 cylinders, which is good because this is 5, so it's right in the middle. It is a journal turbo with a T3 4-bolt flange, as you can see. There is, I can't apparently click on it, but there is like a few more specs to it. Like I said, I'll put it up on the screen for any of you guys that want to know about it. But it's a very nice package. The box actually did come with, hey, let me place that down there next to me. We have got the C-clamp for the cold side, the hot side. Oh. We have got the gasket for the 4-bolt flange. We have got gaskets for the oil, so we've got them as well. We've got bolts, we've got, how do I actually open this? Customer service card. Oh, I haven't actually opened this. It's pretty cool. Got a nice picture of the brand ambassador, Tom Colton. Ah, and on the back, it does also say you can buy billet cranks, turbos, connecting rods, coilovers, air suspension. Just a little list of stuff that they do. All the details to their Facebook, their Instagram, their website, all of that will be down in the description below, and it will be for most videos. I just want to say a massive thank you to the people over at MaxPeedingRods for sponsoring me and the channel and seeing something in me that they like. Like I said, there will be more videos in the future of me doing more stuff with them. Like I said, that's going to be for a future build. So at the minute, that is just a ornament piece. A very nice ornament piece as well, might I add. But I will be making very, very good use of this in the future. If you guys are interested in anything that they sell or anything that they do, they're amazing people over there. Go over there, send them an email, speak to them on Instagram. They're very, very helpful people, very knowledgeable about what they're talking about, and they will be able to help you in any way possible that they can help you. And like I said, if you're interested in an extra 5% off, then my discount code will be on the screen and in the description. Just use that as PRANCE, you get 5% off the whole website. So that is fantastic. I'm very much looking forward to seeing what we can come up with together. But this was just a video just to announce that I am working with MaxPeedingRods. And if you guys want to help support me and support them, go over there and buy a little something. Like I said, they sell like diesel heaters, and this is the perfect time to get yourself a diesel heater if you haven't already. And with the extra discount, can't complain, can we? But that is going to wrap it up for this video. I'm currently in the process of getting the van ready for something, so look forward to that. But I'm going to stop rambling on and getting on. Thank you very much to the guys over at MaxPeedingRods. Thank you very much to you guys for supporting me. Look forward to some very cool things coming up in the future. But that's enough for this video. I'm going to get myself gone and finish getting this van ready for something. But like always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up my dumb ass. Thank you very much for supporting me like you do. You guys are absolutely awesome. But anyway, until the next video, take it easy, guys.